Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Go with IoT. In the last episode, we discussed about the unboxing and specs of the Nodemcu. In today's video, we're going to discuss about the installation of software that used to program the Nodemcu. Okay, without further delay, let's get started. This is Avin here and welcome back to Joy's Tactics. Before moving to the content, make sure you are subscribed to Joy's Tactics and enable the bell icon to be notified for latest updates. To install the software, go to your browser and search for Arduino IDE. We installing Arduino IDE because Nodemcu is based on Arduino development board. You can even program your Nodemcu using MicroPython by erasing or flashing the Arduino firmware from the Nodemcu and installing the Python firmware in it. Let's discuss about the MicroPython in later parts. Now let's continue with the Arduino IDE. By searching the Arduino IDE, you can see the website of Arduino in the first of the search results. Okay, click to the first link and you will be navigated to the official website of Arduino. You can see much more options in the Arduino website and even you can code online using this website. But we are here for downloading the Arduino software, so scroll down and you can see a couple of options there, including Windows, Linux and Mac OS X, etc. These are the list of softwares for appropriate operating systems, and select the proper software according to your OS of your machine. In my case, I am selecting Windows setup file because I am using the Windows machine. By selecting the appropriate software, you will be navigated to another page. In the next page, you can see two main options: contribute and download and just download. Click just download to download the setup file directly. Now you can see my setup file is downloading. After downloading, install the software in your machine. Well, after downloading and installation, search for Arduino in your search bar and you will find a software with sky blue colored Arduino symbol. Click the application or hit enter to launch the Arduino IDE software. It will take a couple of seconds to launch the application according to your machine's speed. In the launch screen, you can see the workspace and a couple of options in the left and right top corner of the application. By default, the software is configured for programming classic Arduino boards, but we should configure it to program our Nodemcu. For that, go to File and then go to Preferences. Now you can see a window with couple of options appearing. From the bottom of the window, you can see a text box named Additional Board Manager URLs. In your case, it will be blank, and in my case, I'm already installed the packages and it's showing a URL. In that blank space, copy the URL from the description and paste it there and click OK. After clicking OK, go to Tools and navigate to Boards. From there, navigate to Board Manager. And here also you can find a window with a couple of lists. Those lists are the libraries or packages installed in your IDE. It takes a couple of seconds to refresh the packages. After refreshing, you can find a search bar in the top of the window. From there, search for Nodmcu and you can find the ESP8266 community library there. Click install to install the library. I already installed it in my IDE. After installing the packages, go to Tools, Boards and you can see ESP8266 boards there. Our Nodemcu using ESP8266 Wi-Fi, so our Nodemcu also comes under this library or this package. By clicking the ESP8266 library, you can see a couple of boards there. From there, click General ESP8266 boards. That's it. Now you can program your Nodemcu using this Arduino IDE. Well, that's it for today's episode. In the next episode, we will discuss about uploading first program, that is blinking program, into our Nodemcu. Subscribe to Joyce Tactics for more technical contents and stay tuned for the next interesting episode. And till then, this is Abin signing off.